Katie Price has unveiled more of her incredible Mucky Mansion renovations after vandals ransacked her sprawling Sussex home. The 43-year-old gave fans a glimpse of her new kitchen and garden room in 2 episodes of her new Channel 4 series, which are available on all 4, and the transformation is astounding. The former glamour model's new kitchen, which is seen in full in episode 2, boasts white and dark grey cabinets with white countertops and stainless steel mod cons. Making sure to honor Katie's love of pink, the space features 4 Chesterfield-inspired blush-colored chairs and a glamorous silver-legged dining table. Paying tribute to the past and present, Katie chose to hang up art her children made throughout the years on a corkboard to give it that extra family feel. The open-plan kitchen and sitting room is cozier than ever with a statement brick fireplace and is a far cry from the ransacked space it was a year ago. Adding to the home is a new garden room which features floor-to-ceiling wooden framed windows and forest green velvet chairs and an orange sofa. The windows framed the stunning view of Katie's sprawling land, while her sister Sophie and Mum made sure to bring the outside in with several indoor plants. The room features statement floral wallpaper and green walls which are complemented by bamboo-style furniture. Last night, viewers were left seriously impressed after the first part of Katie's home renovation was aired. Her youngest son Jet's once plain and boring bedroom was given a new lease of life and turned into an exotic jungle paradise. The 7-year-old's name lit up the wall in orange neon, while his raised bed took center stage with giant leaves reaching out over the top. Katie put her creativity to good use, gluing cuddly animals onto the wall, while at the far end a rope ran across the ceiling and more animals were packed into crates. She and eldest son Harvey shopped for fake grass to be used on the walls and a trellis covered in foliage to act as the bed's headboard. Citing Jurassic Park as her inspiration, she said, "Jet loves the outdoors. I want it to be like a den for him. Jet's a very lucky boy. It's going to look amazing. I love a garden center. I must be getting old." The youngster loved his new look room, telling his mum everything was his favorite. On Monday, we revealed Katie was paid £45,000 for the home renovation series and didn't have to fork out for any labor or materials. The first episode of the series saw Katie show viewers round the house and explain how burglars had flooded and wrecked it. However, she vowed to fix it up back to former glories and make it a fully functional family home again.